Dear friends, today we are going to see how to convert your PowerPoint into video. So for that I have prepared two PowerPoints for the demonstration purpose. So this tool will be helpful in converting your PowerPoint into a lecture video. So you cannot have your webcam overlay, but you can have your voice over. That means the PowerPoint file you prepared is converted into video with your voice. In actual classroom environment, how you are going to present your presentation to your students, the same thing will be recorded as an video with voiceover. So that is the use of this PowerPoint to video conversion tool. So we will go to the demonstration. So for that, first I am going to open a file I have created. So this is a simple animation presentation with a simple animation to explain how the animation will helpful in converting your PowerPoint into video. So this is the simple PowerPoint presentation. If you want to have 1 hour class lecture video, prepare the presentation accordingly. You can have the animations and transition as recorded by you. Okay, so now I have prepared a simple demonstration purpose. I have simple animation video. So once you prepare the presentation, open in the Microsoft PowerPoint, you can go to slideshow, where you can see the record slideshow button. You click the record slideshow button and click start recording from the beginning, and you will get a pop-up window. You kindly ensure that these two checkboxes are taken, and then you can click start recording. The PowerPoint will started playing. So now I can have my voiceover, how you are going to teach your students. So dear students, this is a demo on PowerPoint to video conversion facility. So for that, for the demonstration purpose, I have created a simple engine animation. So the engine has a cylinder and piston with inlet valve and exhaust valve with a spark plug. So this is the cylinder, and this is the piston, and this is the inlet valve, and this is the exhaust valve, and this is a spark plug. Okay, so during the section stroke, so this is a section stroke. During the session stroke, the inlet valve is open. The air fuel mixer will come in through the inlet valve. So due to that, the piston will move from top dead center to the bottom dead center. At the end of the section stroke, the inlet valve is closed. So, and during the compression stroke, the piston will move from bottom to top. At the end of the compression stroke, the spark plug will ignite the air fuel mixer, and during the exhaust stroke, the exhaust valve will open, and burned air fuel mixer will release through the exhaust valve. So that is the presentation, as a simple presentation I made for the creation of video. So now the video creation is converted, video creation is completed. You can see that at the end of each slide there is an icon like this. So that means your voice is recorded here. Okay, for each and every slide you can see the voice. Okay, so this is for a demonstration purpose. I have made a simple slide presentation. You can do as per your so that is the thing. So now I have to go for the file, save as, and in the save as type you have to choose Windows Media Video. Okay, so now it is saved in the desktop. You can see the scroll bar at the bottom. When it is fully closed, the video conversion is over. Okay, now the is over. So the video is created. So this is the video. So this will be saved in the Windows Media video file format. So this can be converted into either AP4 or AVI, whatever the whatever the form you want, you can convert this.
So dear students, this is a demo on PowerPoint to video conversion facility. So for the demonstration purpose, I have created a simple engine animation. So this is a section scope. Everything is closed. So
okay, so that's all. So this is another slide prepared without much animations and all. So again the same thing. So you can play the PowerPoint slides and you can record your voiceover. So this is in this lecture I am going to explain the components of solar water heater. The basic components are flat plate collector, storage tank and connecting pipes. So there are two types of solar water heater. One is active system and the other one is passive system. Active system consists of a pump to circulate the water. Passive system has no pump. So this is the passive system, which is called a natural circulation solar water heater. There is no pump. So the water circulation is due to gravity. So the water tank has to be conveniently placed in a upper position. Then only the water will go through the gravitational force. Okay, so the storage tank is located above the level of collectors. And that is about the forced circulation solar water heater, in which you have a pump for circulating the water. So here the water tank can be placed anywhere conveniently. So that is the advantage of the forced circulation system. That's all. So this is a simple presentation I have created. Okay, you keep on entering. The presentation will be over. Here you can see under every slide you have the voiceover at the bottom. Okay, so now we can go for save as Windows Media video type and save. It will be saved in the desktop. Okay, so you can see the progress bar at the bottom. Once the video conversion process is over, you can press. So it will take more time. For the small video itself takes some time. If you plan it for 1 hour lecture, it will take more time to convert your PowerPoint into a video with your voiceover. So you have to be patient till the complete conversion is completed. So there is other way also there. You can do it in different parts and you can combine those files using the video editing softwares like OpenShot or video editor like that. So that is also possible. If you want to reduce those burden and for the time taken for converting your PPT into video, you can do it in parts. So the small portions combined together with the help of video editing softwares, you can make it into a lecture. So this can be simply these videos can be simply posted into your website, course website, or in your YouTube channel, or you can use it, you can circulate through WhatsApp directly to the class group, so the students can watch your lecture. So that's it. So the process is almost completing. And also again it is depends upon the system configurations. If the system is with the latest RAM and processors, it will be completing easy. So this is the video created. So you can play the PowerPoint slides. While this is you can see the slides with your voiceover is recorded. Okay, that's all, and you can practice this tool from your system. Thank you.